Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss something fascinating and clean: solar cells. Solar cells are devices that convert sunlight into electricity, which can be used to power homes, farms, and even cities. Solar cells are made up of a material called a semiconductor, which has two types of electrons that can move easily and electrons that cannot. When sunlight hits the solar cell, the electrons are excited, meaning they move from one band to another. This movement of electrons creates a flow of electrical current. There are two main types of solar cells: solar cells made from crystalline silicon and solar cells made from organic materials. Crystalline silicon solar cells are by far the most common and widely used, because they provide the highest efficiency, which can reach up to 25%. On the other hand, organic solar cells are more affordable and have a higher potential for mass production, but their efficiency is still lower, around 7 to 11%. Solar panels, which are actually a combination of several solar cells, are used to generate electricity in homes and small businesses. They are usually attached to rooftops, fences, or structures to maximize their exposure to sunlight. To sum up, solar cells are amazing devices that can turn sunlight into electricity, helping to power our lives in a sustainable and eco-friendly way. As technology advances, the efficiency of solar cells is expected to rise, making them a more and more reliable source of energy for our future.